Power is the control of authority, imprint, and expertise over others. Having the position of power can be a benefit to your organization if used in the correct manner to take control of the business as well as the employees. Quote, a developed organization must be designed based on an increasing use of expert and reference powers that promote reflection and choice in decision making. End quote. There are 5 sources of power within an organization: legitimate, coercive, referent, expert, and reward. Legitimate power is the official power and domination rightfully granted to the boss/leader under allotment by the entity's associates. Coercive power is the power to manage others by fear of reparation. This power gives leaders the ability to control and enforce organizational rules that involve disciplining employees as well as to promote a harassment-free environment. Reward power is derived from leaders giving rewards to control according to how an employee acts. Expert power is the power of knowledge the leader has and expertise or skill that they serve in the role. Referent power is the power of knowledge. No, referent power is the capacity of the leader to manage the repute of the employees as a positive influence or role model. Mintzberg dwells on activities within an organization as games, which consist of 13 games, such as insurgency, counterinsurgency, sponsorship, alliance, empire building, budgeting, expertise, lording, line versus staff, rival camps, strategic candidates, whistleblowing, and young Turks. Quote, political behavior is experienced in every organization, though the intensity of thereof may differ, and in this regard, each organization is a political arena, end quote. Mintzberg, 1985. Power can negatively affect members in many different areas, from the leaders to the employees. Negative power conducts can come from higher officials toward those employees that are in a lower rank, most visibly when those in a higher position feel threatened, in order to protect or improve their own positions. Manor and Mead, 2010. An example of this would be those in similar titles competing and degrading one another. Avoiding negative impacts for leaders can involve showing less dominating or domineering statues and bringing more light onto situations within the organization can improve team outcomes. L. Greer, 2017.